Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One on your iPhone. To check battery level, we need to add widget. To do this, you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Edit or plus at the laptop, and add widget. Now scroll down, and you need to find batteries right here. We have it. You can also use the search and write batteries here, and then click here. And right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you, and then click Add Widget. And right here you can check battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your speaker turned on and connected with your phone. This speaker haven't dedicated app, so there's only one option on your iPhone how to check battery level. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!